Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about timeline and the invention. History deal with the complete story of a man. How to measure this long period is a problem, but historians have solved this problem too by introducing the concept of BC and AD. The birth of Christ is the focal point from which we count the dates. If an event happened 100 years before the birth of Christ, we say that event happened in 100 BC, and if, on the other hand, anything happened 100 years after the birth of Christ, we say that it happened in 100 AD. The letter BC stand for before Christ and AD stand for Anno Domini, which in simple language means the year of Lord. Common Era or a current era, abbreviated as a CE, is a calendar era that is often used as an alternative naming of an Anno Domini era in the year of Lord, abbreviated AD. Thus, BCE is also used in a place of BC, and CE is used in place of AD. History is the study of our past, a record of the events that happened long, long ago. It tells us about the life of the people during a particular period of time. It is written account of the development of human civilization. History helps us to understand the political and the social system of economic activities and the culture of people and the causes and effects of events in a sequence. History not only looks at important events such as wars, revolutions, changes of governments, and great invention, but also explains why and how. It is the story of the progress of man from the beginning of a civilization to the present time in a chronological order. History or his story is indeed the story of man. Why do we study the history? We study the history to learn how our forefathers lived. History is the link between the past and the present. Every new thing invented and every new idea has its origin in the past. History tells about kings, queens, and about the life of ordinary people. We learn about the achievements of great men, how they changed the people's lives and influence not only them but future generation also. It answers many questions about past events. History helps us to understand our society. In India, we have different kinds of people, languages, and religions. History tells how we came together and how we learned to live together. It also helps us to understand the concept of unity in diversity. History helps us to learn from our past mistakes so that we do not repeat them. It teaches us to remain united and be proud of our culture. Hence, if culture or civilization needs to develop, it needs to be linked closely and be able to understand and appreciate its past, its history. History teaches us about our culture. By culture, we mean art, architecture, sculpture, literature, religion, and language. Culture also includes how we dress, how and what we eat, what rituals or festivals we celebrate, our amusements, and the values we cherish. Thank you.